Welcome back to Lucky Fun Club. It's been a while since we've uploaded a photo, but just life gets busy and lost a bit of motivation for some cars. But we're back now and looking to work on the blue one. So yeah, essentially for this build we're going to be pretty much doing a bit of a resto, respray, and chucking the 4K back in as the beams is in this beige one at the moment. So yeah, basically I just wanted to freshen it all up, even though it is pretty clean. Just try and get a bit of a nicer kind of weekender out of it. And yeah, so first of all I'm going to be starting the engine bay, start sanding it down for the colour change. So I won't say what colour we're going yet, but yeah, guess I'll start. First things first, you may notice that the subframe, caster rods, pretty much the whole front end, low control arms, etc. They're all out of the car at the moment. So I previously took them out, and they're off to go get powder coated and freshened up. So once the engine bay is all painted, we'll put them back in and yeah.
Sounds right.
One thing I like doing when removing bolts and parts on bodies and everything, once I undo it, I just put the bolt straight back into where it came from, and then later on, once everything's removed, I can label it in a box.
Sounds right.
Get confused with it, or even take a photo of the bolt, just to get mixed up, because there can be quite a few different bolts that go around, and also the big parts.
Sounds right.
Out of the headlights. I'll come over and put them on the back there. Put them on the back.
Sounds right.
Bolts as well. I'll build that, go all the way to there. Just saves you trying to just chuck them all in one big box and finding out where they go later. It just
Sounds
saves
right.
more time.
Sounds right. Sounds right.
Alrighty, so we've pretty much got everything out of the engine bay now, bar a couple of bolts that I'll bag and tag, but other than that, it's all pretty well done. So that's pretty much it for this episode, basically just a strip down, and then tune in next week for when we start to tackle some of this rust and start welding up a couple of the holes that we don't usually need, just to help clean up the engine bay when we respray it, so it looks all nice and fresh. So yeah. Tune in next time. Thanks.